Looking to streamline your workflow and keep your teams in sync? Today, let's learn how to integrate Slack with ClickUp, a powerful way to manage tasks and task progress directly from Slack. First, what do you need? The Slack integration is available on all ClickUp plan. Each ClickUp workspace can connect to one Slack workspace, but a Slack workspace can link to multiple ClickUp workspace. And while member, admins, and owner can enable it, workspace connection are restricted to admins and owners. Here's how to enable the integration. From the App Center in ClickUp, search for the Slack and select your connection type, either personal or workspace. Click connect and then allow to grant access. Once connected, you can start syncing activities like tasks, comments, and updates directly into Slack. Next, let's sync ClickUp activity with Slack. After enabling the integration, select which space, folder, or list to sync. Notification will be sent to Slack channel, keeping your team informed. You can even invite ClickUp into private channel using the command /invite at ClickUp. Want a clutter-free experience? Create a dedicated #ClickUp channel in Slack to manage all notification in one place. Finally, let's explore Slack action and link preview. You can create tasks or comments directly from Slack messages, preview ClickUp task, and even search Slack messages from within ClickUp. This integration bridges communication gap so nothing gets lost between conversation and task management. Give it a try today and supercharge your productivity with ClickUp and Slack working together seamlessly.